Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to use your smartphone with the NFC in order to read the authenticity about the anti-social social clubs apparels. So apparently anti-social social club came out with their tags. So you could put your smartphone with this NFC tag. But first of all, you need to go and download the app in order to use that app to work with this tag to check the legitimacy for this clothing line. Okay. So if you have a iPhone 10s, 10s Max, and then 10R, those are the first generation iPhone that support native NFC tag reading. So first of all, you need to pull down the menu. If you have an Android phones, and then you need to go and then search for NFC. Oops. And then make sure you turn that on. Right now it's off. So make sure you turn it on. And then now you're gonna go to this site and then download it. Let me try to go to the App Store and see if I can download from the App Store. ASSC app. So apparently it's not in the App Store. You will need to type in the address, the URL address on this tag right here. So let's go ahead and go to there and then download it. Gonna open my Chrome. http:// bit ly/ASSC app, and then press go. All right, so you got to type in the address in order to download it. So as you can see, it has it support your Apple or your Android. I have the Android. This is the LG V10. I'm just gonna click on Android, and then all you need to do is just click on install. So yeah, I was kind of rushed to did unboxing yesterday, so I forgot to mention about or actually go through about the apps on how to check the legitimacy for the apparel. So it says place the back of your phone close to the ASSC tag. So let's go ahead and put it right there. And then you give the result. So it says legitimacy confirms. Well, I see now this is original for the pieces that I picked up from March 16th drop. So all of them gonna be original. So just testing on this hoodie for you guys again. Let's see. So this is a long sleeve hoodie for the black one. And then this is the red one. Let me go get them. All right. So let's go ahead and then do the last one. All right, so everything is legit. So if you guys want, be sure to use this app to scan your tag that comes with it, and then make sure you double check it if it's original, authentic or not, so you don't get ripped off by purchasing on Amazon, eBay, or Grail, or Letgo, whatever app or website that you purchase from. All right. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.